Magnet model is a dynamic visualization model to represent reverse-engineered behavior of object-oriented programs based on animated object graphs. MagnetRON Viewer is a tool to represent and control the magnet model. Let me explain how to use MagnetRON Viewer. To generate a magnet model, let's open a MagnetRON file. First, we use a simple artificial program. This is the content of the MagnetRON file. The trace file's path, feature's name, and extraction conditions for each feature are specified. A trace file records internal events of a program, such as field updates and method invocations at runtime. Therefore, it may take some time to read the MagnetRON file. After reading the MagnetRON file, you can select a feature from Extract Feature menu. Then, collaboration related to the feature is extracted from the trace file. Next, I explain how to control the animation and introduce the representation of magnet model. Press the play button to start animation. The animation can also be paused. In magnet model, each ellipse represents an object, and a rectangle inside an ellipse represents an execution of a method. Also, solid arrow between two ellipses represents an object reference by a field. A green dashed arrow between two rectangles represents a method invocations. Press the play button again to resume the animation. When object C is returned as a return value, it moves in the same direction as the return from b.getC. When object C is passed as a parameter, it moves in the same direction as the method invocation of d.passC. The deepest method execution in the color stack is colored in the darkest pink. Creation of an object reference during the collaboration is represented by a red arrow. Here, I show an example of a feature of a real-world program. Select the feature of Select Figure of J-Hot Doll. You can scroll to see what you want to see. If you want to see the entire structure, you can zoom out. Pause the animation. You can also zoom in to see the details of the diagram. Restore the size. If you want to go back in time, press the Step Back button. Resume the animation. In Out-Tracking mode, you can automatically track the deepest method execution. You can fast forward the animation up to 10 times speed. In this example, 5 object references are created. The ellipses are automatically placed with a triangle with the last created object reference as the base.